Well, it's another glorious day down here at Coronado. Today we're going to do something different. We're going not just to the San Diego Zoo, but we're going to go to the San Diego Zoo Safari. So we booked it yesterday. We've never been there before. So that's going to be today's event. Well, it's a little bit of a drive, but no traffic. And here we are at the San Diego Zoo Safari Park. Okay, so I just came in. I was all good. Prepaid everything online. And now we're inside and we're heading to find our safari tour. It's Christmas already, I guess. It's the end of November. So we got the Christmas tree up. We just found our... We're ready to go. We're going to take two.
They'll still be there when we walk.
So that's the elephant yard, but the elephants are in the far yard right now.
Entry-level job. See them?
Yeah, you can see them through the trees.
So they think they are?
The bigger guy, I'm sorry?
They think they are though? They
Yeah.
act like
The bigger guy was born at the zoo, and you've been to the zoo, right?
Yeah.
Remember the crows and hawks?
There we go, going for our Jurassic Park gates.
In here, there's the only deers that we've seen.
So there's a little balloon right there. Look how close. Right there. 3. Then over in the background there's 3. And then there's the 2 that we just saw.
So this is the antelope called.
And look at that. We got 2 Cape buffalo right there.
So they can run about 35 miles an hour. When the rhinos can run 30. The Cape buffalo around 25. Yeah.
one of the first rules of fighting was don't pick on something bigger than yourself.
The Cape buffalo.
Nowhere.
You've been working on that piece for a while, haven't you?
So they're like 30.
Oh, he's walking. She's walking away. Oh, I don't know.
They're circling behind her.
Yeah. Oh.
He's trying to get his leg on.
You liked it?
Yeah.
Woo. So we're just finishing up, heading back, but we saw a lot. And we'll go explore the rest of the facility.
Gonna go see the tiger cubs.
Tiger Trail. We must be on the right path to see the baby tiger cubs.
Thank you, sweetheart. Oh, I ripped this leg open.
Just chilling. But there's 3 up there. Pretty neat. Okay, we found the kangaroo enclosure. We've got kangaroos and wallabies. And now we're gonna go. Looks like you can just walk around with them.
Think about Australia.
Wow. Joe.
Sure.
Okay, my verdict on the free tour. If you're coming with the kids, it comes as part of your entry. I think most of the kids on that tour enjoyed it and had fun. After going on that sort of premium tour this morning, we saw so much more and got so much closer for better photos, better experience altogether. So if you can spring for a premium tour, I would say
Do it.
yeah. Well, that was fun. Something different to do.
Yeah.
So it was good, huh? So that's a wrap from here. Now heading back to Coronado and the RV.